So I'm in the Lala room inside the pop-up. It's really cute. I just took a video on here. Maybe I'll share it in my video, I don't know. But so cute. So it's actually called the House of Drunk, guys, but look how cute. The lips, skin's happy place. This is so colorful inside here. But it's inside, it's in Soho. I took a picture in that lips. I went inside there as you guys saw. So cute. It's really cute. They have their stuff like on these little dishes and stuff. I was thinking about getting this one of these, but I feel like I have so much glitter already and going through a glitter phase. The highlight. The new Play collection.
That was this one.
So guys, I ended up, we're gonna get this. This is the sharpener. This is the sharpener for pencils. I'm gonna get this. And I'm also going to get the zit stick, which is over there. There's people in front of it right now, so. But I was thinking of getting another highlighter, but honestly, no. I was thinking about getting one of these, but I said no, because I have too much glitter, and I don't need another concealer. But this was the closest match to me. And then they have this sink area. Where you could use some of their products and wash your hands with it, but it's really cute. Honestly, I love the little setup.
But also they had a thing, like an installation before over there, and it was like humongous, like
That's so cute. Alright guys, so I just got out of Glossier and I bought the blade and I bought the zit stick. I didn't need either one, but here we are. So I'm on Canal. Probably gonna get something to drink, maybe something to eat. I'll just be going home. I haven't vlogged like this in a while, so I thought I should bring my camera along with me today since I was going to 2 places. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!